Around here, we believe that your home should reflect you. Tell your own unique story. We also believe that your business should do the same while inviting your customers to return again and again. And also that life is too short to be boring or strive to be perfect. Hi, I'm Lori, and for more than 25 years, I spent my time building a vintage and home decor destination business. I was a laid-off insurance adjuster with 4 kids at home, no time and no money, and 0 retail experience. I started off by painting furniture I bought at garage sales, or even better, dragged off the side of the road. And that eventually led into an awesome customer base and into a business that was open only 3.5 days a month, and I doubled my income the last 9 years I was open. What I learned is it does not take a big budget, a lot of experience, or a lot of money to build a beautiful space, to build the home you love, to build the business you want. I learned that you can start where you are with what you have, and with some intentional choices and a vision, you can get there. I also learned that no matter what kind of space you're working with, a multi-million-dollar home, a studio apartment, or your own small business, antique booth, whatever, the same principles apply to achieve a space that you love. So that's what we're doing here in this community. Think of me as a Martha Stewart that spends a lot of time listening to rock. Thank you for being here. I'm so glad you are, and I can't wait to get to know you better.